All right, so one of the cases arrived here from CaseKoo. We're gonna go and check it out here.
Here we go!
This is the first case that arrived today here, so we're gonna go check it out. Here it is. First of all, packaging is pretty nice. You can see it right here. You have the case on top. You also have this little polishing cloth to be able to, I guess, yeah, polish it. It's literally a microfiber cloth. That is, I've never seen that before on a case, to give a nice polishing cloth. This is also the first I've ever seen a case come with stickers. We got 2 packs here. So you got like little pandas, which is their little mascot, I guess you could say, for pandas right there. Pretty nice. Let's go check out the case here. I requested the deep purple colorway to match the deep purple phone that we're gonna be putting this on. Now, I don't have a 14 Pro Max, but my cousin does, and I'm giving this case to him. That way he can match. But look at this. This is the quality on it. It looks nice. It does have a magnetic kickstand right here. That is a Magsafe ring as well, so you can put it like that, and then you can use the back for Magsafe accessories, wallets, chargers, car vents, anything like that. You can put that on the back right here. And it has a nice anti-yellow clear backing. This looks really nice. The protection on it looks really good as well. It even has minimal branding etched in right there, CaseKoo, and buttons and all that. We're gonna put this on the phone right now. All right, so it looks like they sent over the other 2 cases. You have the green colorway and the black colorway here. So very nice. Let's go ahead and pop these both open. It's nice of them to actually send out more. There we go. So right here we have the black case, which is a little bit more protection. It is also their newest design and has more protection, as you can see here. This is like a rubber, so it helps with impact, and it has a little CaseKoo branding right here as well. Just looks a little bit nicer, a little bit cool, a little nice subtle pop of color. And then for the green one here, this one actually looks like a official Magsafe case. Like, it looks really nice. And it has the kickstand, obviously. The quality on it is like for Apple level, except it doesn't have the velvet in the inside. Other than that, this looks like an Apple case at about half the price, which is nice. And the quality is actually there. Like, this has like little to no twisting. You can see that right there pop out, but little to no bending or twisting. So this thing is gonna protect your case. This thing is gonna protect your phone like crazy. I said it's gonna protect your case. Yeah, a case is gonna protect your case. But this black one's awesome. Like, honestly, for filmmakers or anything like that, you need some extra battery, like I showed you in the B-roll. Pop up one of these Magsafe power banks here. I didn't want to do a drop test on it because it wasn't my phone, so I didn't want to drop it like crazy, so I did a little light shake test. But the magnets on them, they're pretty strong. I would say about a 7 out of 10. They're not super strong, but they're really strong. I think the drawback is because it is a kickstand, it'll probably flick off a little bit more. It is still really strong, considering that it is a kickstand. And it's still fairly easy to remove. You got all the protection on it. It looks beautiful. Each one of these cases go for about $25 each, which is really inexpensive. That's about the price at normal cases that they should cost. Clear cases or any non-specific cool feature like this goes for under 20. Considering this is 25, you get a bunch of value for your money. You also have a lanyard little loop here as well if you decide to use that for trips or whatever. It's pretty nice. Buttons and cutouts all good. This one's a very nice looking case. It goes with their green colorway, which was for last year's phone. This is the 14, which mainly purple, but if you do like green and black phone would look nice. And when you guys do the 15, can you send that one out? Because I'll love to do a update video on these cases for sure on my phone. Right now I don't have the 14. I skipped it this year, but we're gonna get the 15 for sure. But like I said, beautiful colorway. I'm going to be giving this away, and I'll probably do some B-roll on it. For sure, I gave one away, the clear and purple one, as my cousin requested. But these 2 are up for grabs for any family members or any cool friends out there. If you have a 14 Pro Max, hit me up. Without further ado, because I trust these cases 100%, tenfold, no doubt. And if I'm able to give it to a cousin or a friend or something, then you know I have full faith in these cases. They look good, they're really stylish, they have Magsafe capabilities, which a lot of people love nowadays. They have protection, which is the most important on the case, and they're inexpensive. It crosses all the checklists on my end. Without further ado, guys, highly recommend buying these cases. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.